It's gone. Our house, it's all gone. Forever. Forever. Why was I always such a brat? Why did I always fight her? I never said, I love you. I'll never get to. Never. There's nothing you could have done for her, you understand? Because I'm a kid. Because I'm weak. Because every last one of us is a damn coward. Stop to this! I'll kill them all! Every last one! Eren. Sorry for me. So then, you're not warriors or soldiers. You're just murderers. Psychotic mass murderers who snuffed out the lives of countless people that never did you any wrong!
Don't you think I'm aware of that fact? I don't need you shoving it down my goddamn throat!
Then stop acting like you've got any right to feel sorry for yourself! We're living in a hell you two created! Are you proud of yourselves? You're not one of us! You've never been! You're not even human anymore!
An apology? Is that what you hope to get out of calling us murderers? Want us to feel bad? Want us to take the blame? Who are you talking to? The people you thought you knew don't exist, they're dead! But hey, if screaming does it for you, go ahead and scream your goddamn head off!
You're right. Who am I? What do I know? Still, I've got to do something. Anything. I swear to you, one way or another, the two of you will pay. And it's gonna hurt.
Everyone feels the same pain when losing something dear. You and I have both experienced that pain. You strive for your justice, and I strive for mine. We're both just ordinary men who have been driven to seek vengeance in the name of justice. And if one comes to call vengeance justice, such justice will only breed further vengeance and trigger a vicious cycle of hatred.
It doesn't matter what I want, because I can't do a damn thing about it. You're a good person. I hope you'll get to live a long life. Every day I've spent here, I've wondered, how did all these people let it come to this? Minds and bodies ruined, dreams of freedom erased, personalities burned away. No one would want to go to war if they knew what it would do to them. But it's not like we all leapt into that hell knowingly. Most of us were pushed. Some of us were pushed by other people. And some of us were pushed by the environments we grew up in. So, the few who do choose to leap into hell see it differently than the rest. And they're also able to see something beyond the hell. Maybe that something is hope, or maybe it's just another hell. Fact is, you can only find out by moving forward.